So yes guys, it's Queen Jess at nagpabakuna kami for flu vaccine ng anak ko sa private hospital which is in Lourdes. Minsan, takot na takot ka pumunta sa private hospital kasi akala mo ang mahal-mahal ng mga vaccine. 2K is not so expensive. Bakit sinabi kong not so expensive for each of us, 'di ba? So 4K kaming dalawa. Kasi sa isang negosyanteng tulad ko, kung the way kumpara ko kayong mag-isip, it's very affordable. Why? Yung 4K kaya kong kitain ng times 10 in one day. Pero pag nagkasakit kami, pornada ang negosyo, walang kikita, tapos pareho pa kami may nararamdaman. O kaya yung anak ko lang ang nagkasakit, syempre hindi ako makapagtrabaho. Yung anak ko ang uunahin ko. So, 'di ba? It's wise to choose or to have a flu vaccine than got sick, right? So, for me, as a negosyanteng nanay, this is very affordable. 4K is very affordable. So, got your flu vaccine right now.